Hello everyone, this is your tutor, your teacher, Nurenda. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and follow, and to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Let's look at question 1, grade 9, paper 1, 2024. So the first question is saying, write 23.615. Express this one correct to 3 significant figures. As you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 significant figures, but 3 decimal places. So when I told to express to 3 significant figures, we start counting right from the first. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Then upon counting to the 3 first numbers, we're going to check the fourth one here, which is 1. It is 1 nearest to 0 or nearest to 10? It is nearest to what? To 0. Are you going to add anything to 6? No. So the answer, it will be 23.6. This is the answer correct to 3 significant figures. So in this case, the answer here, it is A. It is what? A. Let's move to question 2. Like question 2 is saying, which of the following is an irrational number? So an irrational number, it is a number that cannot be expressed as a fraction. As we can see, this A, 2 is rational because 2 can be expressed as a fraction. It can be written as 2 over 1. When you look at 7, 7 is rational. It can be put in a fraction to say 7 over 1. 9, the square root of 9 is 3. So 3 can be expressed as a fraction. So the answer here, number 2, the answer is B, which is root of what? Root of 5. This one cannot be expressed as a fraction. So it is called an irrational. Okay, let's move to number 3. Number 3, it is saying, find the value of -2, okay, plus, open bracket, negative what? 5. -2 plus -5. Now, remembering to do integers. Integers, we all learned that when you're adding same integers, what do? We add the numbers and you consider the common what? Sign. So in this particular moment, you're going to say 2 plus 5, you're going to have a 7, and the 7 here, it is negative because the common sign is negative. So in this case, the answer is what? A. So for number 3, the answer is A. We move. Let's look at number 4. Number 4 is saying factorize completely, which is 6x squared minus 24xy. To factorize is simply to do what? To look for a common factor. This particular moment, as you can see, 6 can go into 6, and the same 6 can go into 24 without leaving a remainder. So 6 is common. What else? What else here? As you can see, there's x here and there's x here. X is also what? Common. So we write x. What else? Y is not common. So 6x is common. You open the bracket. 6 into 6 is a 1. X squared divided by x, you're going to remain with a 1x here, minus 6 into 24. 6 into 24 can go how many times? 4 times. Because 4 times 6, we get back to 24. X divided by x, it is 1. What remains here, it is a y. So when you factorize completely, the answer is 6x, open bracket, x minus 4y. So looking at a multiple choice, the answer here, it is showing it is D. So for number 4, it is D. Okay? Without wasting time, let's proceed. This one is saying, which of the following represent the output on the flowchart? Output. So the output here on the flowchart, it is an oval. It is what? An oval. So the answer there, it is showing it is what? A. That's an output here. An oval. We're saying output means we're saying stop. The answer is what? An oval. Same to input, the same one. Okay, let's move to the next question. The next question, it is this one, number 6 here. Number 6 is saying, the diagram below shows the XY plane with a shaded region, as you can see. Describe the shaded region. Describe the shaded what? Region. As you can see, this line is cutting the y-axis. So you're going to write y is equal to, is cutting at which point? Is cutting at where y is positive what? 1. Now looking at the part which is being shaded, the part which is being shaded, it is a less part. It is a below. As you can see, there is 1 here. As you can see, there will be 0, there will be -1. As you are moving down, the values of y, they are reducing. So this part below this where it's being shaded, it is a less sign. So I'm going to write y less than 1. That is the answer. Let's check the multiple choice. The answer there is showing there is what? D. Okay. Next, let's move to number 7. Number 7 is saying what? Number 7 is saying, how many faces does a rectangular pyramid have? From the word go, rectangular pyramid, from the word rectangular pyramid, it has 3 faces facing up together with a base. So the rectangular pyramid, the faces it has how many faces? 4 what? 4 faces. Okay, the 3 faces facing up, including the base. That makes together 4. So the answer there, it is what? C. Let's move. So for number 7, the answer is C. 4 faces. Okay. Let's move to the next question, number 8. Number 8 is saying what? Number 8 is saying the following were the goals scored by Zumbu football team in a 9 matches. So we have these numbers here. Calculate the median. Calculate the what? The median. So the word median simply means, the middle term by arranging the numbers in ascending order or descending order. What do I mean? You arrange numbers starting with the smallest to the bigger one, the biggest. So in this case, we are going to arrange, how many zeros do you have? 1, 2 zeros. 2 zeros. How many ones do you have? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ones. What else? There are 3 ones. Do you have a 2 here? There's only 1, 2. There's a 2, 1, 2 there. Then how many 3s do you have? There are 3. Altogether, there must be how many scores? 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9. Now, upon arranging them in ascending order, what do? We are going to pick the middle numbers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The middle one is 1. So the median in this case, it is what? 1. So what's the answer here? The answer is what? B for question 8. Okay, let's proceed. The question 9. What's question 9 saying? Question 9 is saying, the diagram below shows triangle ABC in which DE is corresponding to what? AB, or is parallel to AB, you can say. Which angle corresponds to CAB? Which corresponds to what? CAB. Remember, corresponding angles are equal. So CAB is equal to CDE. Angle CAB is corresponding to what? CAB is corresponding to CDE. So where is CED? CDE, the answer is C. The answer is what? C. Very good. We move to the next question. Okay. Number 10 is saying, a lady invested how much? 2,550 in the bank for 3 years at a rate of 15% per annum, simple interest. How much interest did she earn? So I'm looking for the interest. This question also comes in grade 7. Simple interest, the formula is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by what? Time, all the way over 100. Over 100. Now, allow me to calculate together this question. Simple interest is equal to, the principal is the money she invested, which is 2,550 multiplied by, we have the rate. The rate is percentage 15 multiplied by time. Time is 3 years. All the way divided by what? 100. Now, remember, this is paper 1. All the way grade 9 calculators are not allowed. Either paper 1 or paper 2. So what can easy do here? We can simply reduce. A 0 and a 0 will cancel. There's a 10 here and there's a 15 here. 5 into 10, it is a 2. 5 into 15, it is what? A 3. So what are we having here? It is 255 times 3 times 3. We have a 9 here. All the way over what? Over 2. Okay? Let's work out here. Let's work out together. What are we having? What are we having? Okay? In this case, we can copy. We copy nicely here. So we are going to have 255 times 9 over 2. So here, look at this. 255 times 9 over 2. That's our simple interest. Now, in this case, without wasting time, we can start by multiplying. 9 times 5. 9 times 5, it is 45. We write what? 45. We write 5 carry 4. 9 times 5 again is 45. 45 plus 45 plus again what? 4. We have 49. What do we write here? We write a 9, carry a 4 again. 9 times 2, it is 18. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4, we have a 22. All the way over 2. So equal to, what are we getting? 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 9, it is 4. Carry 1 to make a 15. 2 into 15, it is a 7. And carry a remainder 1. To add the 0 and the point. Make 10 to make 5 here. So the simple interest is supposed to be 1147.50. This one here. 1147.50. So looking at the answer here, the answer is supposed to be zikwacha here, makwacha. So the answer here, it is D. It is D. Okay, we'll look at section B in the next video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.